Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Amazon shopping application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. And after opening it up, just tap on the search box and then type in Amazon shopping app and start your search. Once you find the application, just tap on it. And if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on this to install the latest updates. Tap on the update button if it is available, and this will now begin the download and installation of the latest updates. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button once again, you can tap on it to start using the latest update of the Amazon shopping application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update the Amazon shopping application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.